How to turn on or turn off gallery sync with OneDrive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on Menu and click on Settings. Now in Gallery Settings, you will just click on Sync with Gallery OneDrive. And if you want to turn on or turn off sync with OneDrive, so here showing you button. So if you want to turn on sync with OneDrive, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will say sync with OneDrive is turn on. If you want to turn off sync with OneDrive, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will say sync with OneDrive is turn off. You will turn on or turn off sync with OneDrive from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off gallery sync with OneDrive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.